How to edit resumes template in Overleaf. First of all, we go to the website Overleaf right here and we click here on Overleaf. Then right now you will find here all the projects that we just created. Then from now we go here to templates and then right now we want to search for the template that we want to edit or to change. Then we search here for resume and then we do search and then we find some resumes right here. So let's say, for example, we want to click here on this panda resume from Jacob Kedela. Let's say we want to use this template and change some things. Then we do open as template. And then right now, make sure that you click here on the visible editor. Then right here, if you can see, we can change the things that we like. So let's say, for example, I want to change the status like developer. Then what we need to do is we need to find Ctrl+V status right here. And then we need to change this. So let's say I want to change this to Flux Media at YouTube. Then right now we do recompile. And now we change this right here to Flux Media at YouTube. So this is how you can edit resumes on Overleaf. Hopefully this was the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.